Oh man, grabe. Pagtitinginan ka talaga ng mga tao dito sa Aurelius na to. Hey there guys, what is up? So today we are going to talk about the recent release of The Man, and this one is the Aurelius. This one is even much better dun sa mga ME ko. So, spray tayo. Grabe. Guys, ang ganda talaga. Fresh, aromatic, fresh spicy. Ganon yung scent niya. It gives lift, no? So may sabog. Ganon siya. Ang ganda niya. Guys, you know what? I tested this, no, twice. So, nung una is I tested this nang pinantulog ko lang siya. And kung pantulog lang naman talaga, it lasted on my skin for 10 hours. 10 more hours pa nga eh. Tapos, kapag naman if you're going to use it on a daytime, no, and medyo meron kang ginagawa, it lasted on my skin for 8 to 9 hours. I did a lot of errands, no, and after all the activities that I did, it lasted on my skin for 8 hours. But, here's one thing. Meron siyang iwan, meron siyang siyaj. And yung siyaj ang magpapalingon sa mga tao kapag dumaan ka, lalong-lalo na if you are wearing the Aurelius. I'm telling you guys, attention seeker talaga itong Aurelius ng The Man. Grabe, ang bango talaga na itong Aurelius na to.